Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of digital money. Cryptocurrency is a new kind of money, totally digital. Unlike traditional coins and bills, you can't hold it in your hand. It exists only on computers and the internet. It's called decentralized because no single bank or government has control over it. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, debuted in 2009, created by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin introduced blockchain technology, a shared unchangeable ledger that securely records all transactions. Since Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with unique features. Cryptocurrency allows for fast global transactions, often with lower fees than banks. It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection, empowering individuals in new ways. So, let's get started on this exciting journey into crypto trading. Now, let's talk about finding your crypto marketplace, or in other words, choosing an exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is like a digital marketplace where people can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Centralized exchanges are common, owned by companies, offering many features and support. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, allow peer-to-peer trading, giving users more control over their funds. When choosing an exchange, consider security, fees, and the cryptocurrencies listed. Security is crucial. Check the exchange's measures and reputation. Compare fee structures of different platforms. Ensure the exchange lists the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. The user interface should be easy to navigate. Research is essential, read reviews, and start with small amounts to test the platform. Find an exchange you feel comfortable with, as you'll be trusting it with your money. A good exchange makes trading smoother, and is a crucial first step in your trading journey, so take your time to make an informed decision. Alright, let's get started with your crypto account and secure wallet. To use an exchange, you'll first need to sign up, providing personal information and creating a strong password. Many exchanges require identity verification, known as KYC, to prevent fraud and follow regulations. Once verified, your account will be active. A crypto wallet is a digital tool used to store your cryptocurrencies like a digital bank account. Each wallet has unique addresses to send and receive crypto and manages your private keys. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, convenient for frequent trading. Cold wallets are kept offline, offering higher security for long-term storage. Securing your wallet is extremely important. Never share your private keys. Use strong, unique passwords for any online wallet. Many wallets provide a backup phrase, keep it safe and secret. Understanding wallets is vital for crypto security. Section 4. Adding money and watching the market. Preparing to trade. Once your exchange account is set up, you need funds to buy crypto. Exchanges offer various ways to deposit, like linking your bank account or using credit/debit cards. Follow the specific instructions on your chosen exchange. The deposited money will appear in your account balance. Cryptocurrencies are often traded in pairs, like BTC USD or ETH BTC. Understanding basic market concepts is helpful. Crypto prices can go up or down, driven by supply and demand. This rapid price movement is called volatility, creating both risks and opportunities. Price charts show how a crypto's price has changed, helping traders spot possible trends. Charts can look like simple lines or use candlesticks for more price information. A trend might show the price generally moving up or down. Learning to read basic charts is useful. Crypto markets can change very quickly. Volatility is a key characteristic of crypto markets. Understanding these concepts will help you prepare for trading. Section 5. Making your crypto trade step-by-step execution. A market order tells the exchange to buy or sell crypto immediately at the best available price. Market orders are simple and fast, prioritizing speed over a specific price. A limit order lets you set the exact price you want to pay or sell at, giving you more control. However, your order might not get filled if the market never reaches your specified price. Let's walk through a simple buy example. Log into your crypto exchange and navigate to the trading section. Find the trading pair for Bitcoin, like BTC USD. Select Buy and choose Market Order. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of USD you want to spend. Click the Buy Bitcoin button. The exchange will confirm the trade, and you can check your exchange wallet. You should see the Bitcoin you purchased, and your USD balance will decrease accordingly. Congratulations, you have made your first crypto trade. Section 6. Staying safe and next steps in your crypto journey. Security must always be your top priority. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. 2FA adds an extra layer of security, requiring a second form of verification. Be very careful about scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it likely is. Always do your own research, and never click suspicious links or share private keys. After you trade, consider how to store your crypto. Keeping crypto on an exchange is convenient for trading, but exchanges can be targets for hackers. For larger amounts or long-term holding, move crypto to a personal wallet. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets, are very secure. This is a key aspect of self-custody. Decide what storage method suits your needs, balancing convenience with security. The crypto world is constantly evolving. Keep educating yourself about the market. Start small and manage your risk carefully. We wish you success on your crypto journey.